Tænd for det TV, for det er tid til Late Night with me, Anders on DanishTube, the most flashy and expensive show ever. Halløjsa, og velkommen tilbage to Late Night with me, Anders. It's good to be back, and today's program is gonna be about sex og kærlighed. That's right, sex og kærlighed. Kærlighed, det er så fantastisk. Man kan ikke leve uden kærlighed, kan man? Nej, det er så smukt. Jeg husker tydeligt den dag, jeg mødte min kone på en café på Vesterbro. Hun kiggede ind i mine øjne og spurgte, skal vi dele en bolle? Eller bolle en del? Og så sagde jeg bare, jamen, vi skal bolle en del jo. Vi smutter. Hvad med dig, Andersbot? Hvordan er dit kærlighedsliv?
Jamen, du kender mig jo. Det går skide godt.
Tager du på mange dates?
Jeg tager på så mange dates.
And what do you say to these women when you are på date? Do you know any good score-replikker?
Jamen, selvfølgelig. Tjek det ud. Min lyst til at kysse dig er ligesom at have diarré. Jeg kan ikke gøre noget først.
Okay, a little bit dirty. Min tur. Tror du på kærlighed ved første blik? Eller skal jeg gå forbi et par gange? Ikke dårligt.
Du er så lækker, at jeg har glemt min score-replik.
I'm gonna use that one. Så længe jeg har et ansigt, har du et sted at sidde.
Hej skat, du ser træt ud. Skal jeg holde dine bryster? Har du spist Kellogg's Frosties? For du vækker en tiger ind.
That was the best one yet. One more. Vil du gå med mig hjem for 500 kroner? Så siger hun, nej. Kom nu. Jeg har virkelig brug for pengene. Yeah, I don't have any more. Let's move on. Hvad er det tid til nu, Andersbot?
Det er tid til at ringe til en halvnøgen politibetjent.
Det er rigtigt. Roll the clip.
Jeg synes det er lidt bizarre, at du ikke har lagt nogen kommentarer. Det er fordi du er min farfar, ligesom Andersbot. Nej, det kan jeg ikke klare. Please, læg en kommentar, mens jeg spiller lidt guitar. Come on, læg en kommentar.
Today we have a kommentar from our very good friend Brooke Fossey. She says, en anden fed episode, Anders. Taler folk åbnet om penge i Danmark? Jeg tror, det er lidt tabu i USA. Undtagen måske om berømte mennesker. Another cool episode, Anders. Do people speak openly about money in Denmark? I think it's a little taboo in USA, except maybe about famous people. Yes, I think people speak openly about money, about sex, about age. It's not such a big deal in Denmark. And then we have another kommentar from Brooke, where she writes, også vil jeg have flere Anders rap-sange, tak. It's what I come back for. I can assure you, Brooke, I'm gonna be hitting the studio once again very, very soon. Brooke, you will be delighted to know that our good friend Anders at Grammatikpolitiet is back from his long vacation. He's been hanging out with his nye kæreste, I believe.
Ja, de boller hele dagen.
I'm happy for him. Let's give him a call and see how he's doing.
Grammatikpolitiet.
Hej, det er Anders.
Hey Anders, hvordan går det?
Det går rigtig, rigtig godt. Jeg har det så fint. Og det er godt at være tilbage.
Well, we won't keep you too long. I know you're probably a little bit træt from all that bollery you've been doing. Would you mind to take a look at these comments from our good friend, Brooke Fossey?
Of course. I can see here, Brooke, you have written your first comment in anden fed episode. Thanks for the compliment, Brooke, but come on, Brooke, don't ever write in anden fed noget. You need to write endnu en fed episode. Reserve the word anden when you are replacing one thing with another thing. Maybe you have one cup and you want a different cup. Jeg vil have en anden cup. Jeg vil ikke have den lorte cup. On the other hand, the word endnu is used for when you want one more of something. So you want endnu et glas vin. One more glass of wine. Endnu en kop kaffe. Another cup of coffee. Og endnu en fed episode. Yet another cool episode. Det var det. Don't fuck around with the words. See you next time. Hej hej.
Tusind tak for det, Anders. Vi ses næste gang. Wow, he was really glad, huh?
Han dytter tit i bamsen.
Ja, det gør han. Han får meget på den dumme.
Helt sikkert. Han kommer hele tiden i bukserne på sin kæreste.
Han går hele tiden i kæden.
Han går hele vejen.
I wonder if han står af i Roskilde. No, I think I'm finished. Let's see what happened this week.
Oh, it is that time again with Google Voice. Here we go. Where are you, Google Voice? I need you to read to me. Here we go.
Jeg er rødhåret, så mange tror. Jeg er ekstra vild i sengen. 25 unge fortæller om fordomme i sexlivet.
I am a redhead, so many believe I am extra wild in bed. 25 young people tell about prejudices in their sex life.
Rødhåret er vilde i sengen. Solbrune fyre med sixpack er fuckboys. Asiater er underdanige, og nørder er kedelige i sengen.
Redheads are wild in bed. Suntanned guys with six-packs are fuckboys. Asians are submissive, and nerds are boring in bed.
Men faktisk er det helt normalt at have fordomme om andres seksualitet, for ligesom med alt her i livet har vi en tendens til at sætte folk i kasser og give dem en mærkat, også når det gælder sex.
But actually, it is completely normal to have prejudices about others' sexuality. For ligesom med alt her i livet. Because just like everything else in life, we have a tendency to put people in boxes and to give them a label. And that also includes sex. Okay, interessant.
Ifølge Julie Hove skyldes det blandt andet, at seksualundervisningen i skolen handler om reproduktion, ikke hvad vi kan lide af vores grænser, og så er pornoindustrien stadig meget præget af en heteronormativ seksualitet, hvor manden er penetrerende, og kvinden er den underdanige.
According to Julia, it is due to, among other things, that sexual education in the school is about reproduction, not about what we like or our limits. And then the porn industry is still very much characterized by heteronormative sexuality, where the man is the penetrator and the woman is the submissive.
Ifølge Julie, så når der er noget derudover, vi ikke forstår, begynder vi at have fordomme og stigmatisering. Vi putter det i nogle kasser, vi kender, og kommer til at ride på en bølge af de gamle forestillinger, vi er trygge ved, forklarer hun.
So when there is something else that we don't understand, we begin to have prejudices and stigmatizations. We put things in boxes we know, and we ride the wave of the old notions that we are safe with, secure with, explains her. She explains. So there's a lot more information, interesting information in this article, but I just want to go down to this section where various men and women, they explain their experiences and their prejudices about sex and sexuality.
At fordi jeg er tyk, har jeg intet sexliv, fordi tykke er aseksuelle, eller ingen gider have sex med tykke mennesker, if you only knew.
That because I am chubby, fat, I don't have any sex life, because fatties are asexual.
Nobody can be bothered or wants to have sex with fat people. If you only knew. I'm sending love out there to all the chubby people. You're beautiful, and I love you all.
Fordi jeg er kristen og kommer i kirke, tror folk, at jeg er jomfru. De skulle bare vide.
Aha, because I am Christian and I go to church, people believe I am a virgin. If only they knew. Yeah, some kinky things happen in the church too, you know.
At jeg er en fuckboy, jeg ligner en pretty boy, er trænet, selvsikker og let at tale med, elsker at gå i lidt for lidt tøj, så jeg kan få sol på kroppen. I virkeligheden er jeg kun til faste forhold.
That I am a fuckboy. I look like a pretty boy, I'm trained, self-confident, and easy to talk with. I love going in little clothing so I can get a bit of sun on my body. In reality, I only like long-term relationships. Well guys, check out this article. There's some amazing images. Look at this. Oh my god. Really good reading, interesting, and a little bit sexy. R.I.P. Sex Leo. Clearly they are married and don't have a sex life. Do you believe it? It's not always the case. Well, let's get back to the studio.
Welcome back. Really interesting story. I have to say, all this talk about kærlighed or sex, it's making me a little bit pirret, you could say. I think we'll take a break and back in 5 minutes. Over to you, Andersbot.
Kan vi ikke...
That's better. Well, I think we will end with a little game. Vi leger, Andersbot. I'm gonna say its or a word, and you say the first or that comes to mind. Here we go. For example, kærlighed,
Mormor.
fed,
Numse.
slikke,
Fisse.
pik,
Kondomer.
onanere. Ja, vi må hellere lade være med det her.
Det var nok en god idé.
Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Hej hej.